Hello, my name is Robin. I'll be hosting the Kalariyogi part of the AYS Exploration Retreat that's going to happen at Attapadi this coming Independence Day weekend. Just to give you guys a quick brief about who I am and what I do, I've been practicing Kalariyogi under the guidance of Sreedharan Gurukkal of MS Gurukkal's Kalari Academy for a little over a decade in the Kadathanadan syllabus. I've also briefly trained under Boby of Kalariyogi in the CVN syllabus for about 3 to 4 years. What we do now, which is Urban Kalari, is a less intense, more detailed, broken down version of Kalariyogi that makes Kalariyogi accessible to all and relatable for all. This is the attempt with Urban Kalari. The workshop that you would be attending as part of this retreat is known as a window into Kalariyogi, where we will be covering all the basic stances, some jumps, some flips, most of the leg races, and we'll also see if we can add a couple of flows into it. Outside of this, we would be going into the philosophy of Kalariyogi, how Kalariyogi is a healing art at its core. I invite all of you to come and join us for this workshop, and I would assure you that this is something that is designed for complete beginners as well. I hope to see all of you guys on the Independence Day weekend at the AYS retreat. Thank you and have a good day.